Hello, today I'm on Schoology to talk to you about annotating and marking up PDFs that your facilitator may have assigned to you. So I have an assignment here that has a PDF attached to it, and they asked me to use Preview to highlight all the verbs in the passage as an example. Here's the PDF that's attached. If I click it, it will download. It may automatically open up. You may have to come down to the bottom toolbar and click to open that. And I always will open with System Viewer, and that should open Preview. And I'll go to my text here, and I'm going to use in the top toolbar the annotation tools here. You can do this a number of ways. You can use the pen tool to go ahead and circle or mark any of the verbs like it gave in the directions. Or you can use this tool here, which is kind of like a highlighter, to go ahead and mark up, again, any of the verbs that are there in the text. And I would do that throughout. If for some reason your facilitator also asks you to use the tools in the PDF preview to fill in the blank of a sentence, for example, or add any text, you can always use the text box tool here to go ahead and place some text. And then you can use the hand tool to drag and drop that wherever it needs to go. Resize with the handles. If the text is too large, you can resize that using the font and tool palette there. Once you're all finished, we'll go ahead and save that. We'll come back to Schoology, where we'll go ahead and submit the assignment. You'll use the upload to go ahead and upload that file. Once the file's finished uploading, you can go ahead and submit, and it's that simple. I hope that this tutorial on annotating and marking up PDF preview and then handing those in to Schoology was helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.